All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day today. This is a sticker video that's long overdue. This is from Mr. Marc from the channel Reflection1234-T5R. I'll have a link to his YouTube channel in my description. Y'all need to go check him out. He's from Canada. He does some YouTubing and he does some, some walkabouts through his city and everything up in Canada. He likes to give off a lot of information about his area and whatnot. Pretty cool channel. Y'all need to go check it out and give him a subscribe and all that good stuff. But man, he sent me some goodie boxes. If y'all watch my lives, y'all seen me open a couple of them on my lives. They're pretty awesome. He packs them up with some goodies from Canada. He says he likes to share some of his Canadian culture with his American friends, and I greatly appreciate it so much. It is just awesome. And he's got me some Tim Hortons coffee from Canada, which is some pretty good stuff. I like it. But anyway, I'm doing some babbling, which is what I always do. But y'all need to go check Marc's channel out. Again, it's Reflections1234-T5R. I'll leave a link for it in my description. But this is a sticker that I got. That's his kitty cat right there, Gracie cat, metal detector, Canadian flag, all that good stuff. Pretty cool. But we're fixing to switch cameras, and I'm gonna stick it up on the wall right there, and we'll go from there. But let's see. Here we go. You know, the wall is getting full, y'all. I mean, look at, you can't see, my phone's in the way. That's my other camera, but there's so many awesome channels up there. Every one of those channels will be, their link will also be in the description. Y'all need to go check them out, connect with everybody, show some love and support, and tell them Grumpy sent you. But all right, y'all. Here we go, Mr. Marc, here is your sticker. It is going up on the board, and you should have my sticker. I've been waiting and waiting to see if it would come through you, because I've sent it to you already, but it ain't making it, so it ain't making it. So I sent some new ones the other day, so you should get them hopefully here soon. Let me get these things separated. Sticker papers are my nemesis. I can't never get them separated. Half the time I have to get a knife to kind of separate them out. Oh, this one might be one of those times. And I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Oh, look, and it had an easy peel back on there. I'll be darned. We should have tried that first, huh? All right, let me see. I'm gonna bump the camera, I'm sure. We're gonna go in the corner right here. Oh, it's right there. We don't want to get on the edge in case we got to take the box apart. Look at that guy, he's falling on me. Oh. Perfect. All right, Mr. Marc, there you go. We got you in the box. We're working our way over. We don't have too much more to go, and we'll be at the bottom down here. Once I get down to the bottom, I'm gonna have to start putting my stickers in a different spot. But all right, y'all. Y'all check out Marc's channel. I'm gonna leave a link for it in my description. Again, thank you so much, Marc, for the goodie boxes. Thank you so much for the sticker. I love the support from my channel, and man, I can't wait for it to warm up so you can get out there and do some more metal detecting. But all right, y'all. Y'all have an awesome day. Stay awesome, stay laid back, and remember, it's my job to be the happiest grumpy y'all know. Thank y'all for tuning in. God bless everybody. Stay safe.